Good morning, Internet, and welcome back to Kerbal Space Program. As promised, we have rolled back the Duna mission that we quote-unquote simulated. So we're back here, and I've done a little research. Look, that must be Jebediah right there. No, actually no, that can't be him. I don't know what that is. Anyway, as promised, we're going to do this properly. So I've done a little research, and I found that Duna has 5 biomes, and Ike has 8 biomes. So, what I have done, I'm not sure the best way to go about this. I've also upgraded to 1.1.3, which means I can start a craft with a sub-assembly. That's definitely not what I wanted. Oh right, mini rover. Boop. So I developed these guys, and they work pretty good, at least on Kerbin. Just a little rover packed with science. And this, I plan to send a cluster of these to Duna and Ike as a separate launch, and just to collect all the science from all the different biomes. I think it'll be easier this way than to try and sort of rove around. So I'm going to have an orbiter, which will be one of these just stripped down. No, I don't need the wheels, basically, on a orbiter version. Maybe some better solar panels, and a whole bunch of these. So let's see. I'm going to need. Let's make the orbiter version first. I'm going to have to reroute this. How do I do this again? Get rid of. Where's? Oh God. What happened to the widgets that were here? I guess this is what happens when you update. Oh, that was okay. That's a bug. Good to know. Fix the game, squad. Okay, we're going to reroute. I want this to be the route. And then that'll be... Did I do that right? No, I did not. One of these days I'm going to get this right. There we go. Alright, but no. I want that to stay there. I just want to get rid of that part. And since this is going to be an orbiter, we'll get rid of those. We'll get rid of these solar panels. I'll put better solar panels on those in a moment. We'll get some control nudes. Oh, that's weird. Not complaining, but that's unexpected. And we'll copy those and put them over here. Very nice. Maybe I want to double up on the RCS, because this is going to be orbiting... Well, I guess once I get into a roughly polar orbit, I should be okay. But you know what? Better safe than sorry. And then what I do with the top one is I offset it in like that. Just to make it a little more compact of a package. These things have an antenna. Plenty of battery storage. And let's put some better solar panels on this. I'm thinking maybe I do want the flat ones. Just a simple, basic... Oh, not those. These guys. I'm going to only need one. Let's stick you there. I'm going to put another one on the other side over here. And that should be good enough. I mean... Or do I want to... No, that's fine. That's fine. There's going to be very few angles that thing will not be able to collect sunlight. And it just needs to be enough, you know? So that has all the maneuverability I need. Okay, I'm satisfied with that. So now we're going to need to launch 8 plus 4, because the main ship that I'm launching is going to count as one science package. Probably more than one, to be honest, because I can move that thing around a little bit easier than these. So I'm going to need 1 plus 5 minus 1, which is 12 in total. Let's make sure we get the right ones, though. I never up... I never unlocked the better structural parts, huh? Oh well. I'll get some space. This is going to take up a lot of space. And let's see, 12 divided by 4 is 3. So if I do it like this... I'm seeing a mistake already. Let's get a decoupler in there. There we go. And then, what else do we need? Let's put a little cubic octagonal right here. So we have something to attach them to. We go into our sub-assemblies. And let's see, I'm going to need 4 of the atmospheric probes. And 8 of the non-atmospheric ones. And that is not what I wanted. No. God damn. So I'm going to need 8 of those and 4 of these. These are the atmospheric version. Let me get this attached and I'll show you what it's all about. 1, 2, 3. Hey, that's perfect. They kind of clip into each other just a little bit. Maybe I can... if I put them... Nope. Oh god. Of course that's not going to work. Oh, did it crash? I think the game crashed. Okay, we're back. The game didn't crash, my mouse did. So, hooray for quality. So that's 4 of those. Alright, these are the atmospheric ones. Let's get a... Nope. The atmospheric rovers. They have more science, more battery pack, because transmitting the science from this thing, this, I forget what that's even called, really drains down the batteries. And now that I think about it, I think, isn't there more science that I can put on here? Like an atmospheric analysis? Doohickey? Or did I not unlock that yet? So we have this one. I thought there was another thing, like a nose cone type thing I could have put on there. Maybe I haven't unlocked it yet. Maybe I should unlock it. We'll do this as Duna probe cluster, all one word. Fix that L. Duna's probe, Duna's probe, Duna probe, Duna probe. Save that, and we'll back out of this. Let's see if R&D has anything for us. Science? No science. Science? And that's the avionics hub. That's like a remote control. Not interested in that. Nothing there. Nothing there. Nothing there. No. No, no, no. Alright, so it seems that I do have everything unlocked science-wise, at least as far as I can tell. I guess this replaces the other thing, which is fine. So I have 4 of these, and then we're going to need 8 to land on Ike. So we're going to need the other one, which is just the mini rover. And these guys will sit on the bottom of these like this. And then I forget the angle that I rotated them. Can I... Hello? Please? I thought I could, like... Oh, good enough. I'll stick that there, and then it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Nope. 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 Okay, I screwed that up. Does that look right? So that's 4, and then we're going to copy those. And that's 8. So these are all the rovers I need, and it looks like I can get rid of this. That's cool. And the very first thing I'm going to do is cancel out of that and get some struts on these bad boys. Don't need that many though. Just kind of secure the load. There we go. Alright, so that is going to be our probe cluster. I just need to get this to Duna. So we'll start with a fairing, I suppose. And it's under aerodynamics, is it not? Do I have the largest fairing? 2.5 meters. Is that going to be big enough? It is not. That's going to be awkward. Alright, I guess that's good enough. That's rather bulbous. I thought there was a bigger fairing, but I could be wrong. That is a nice, tight probe cluster, at least. And I'll probably want to leave this fairing on until after I've aerobraked to Duna, just to make sure those probes don't see a lot of stress. So now we just need to get them there. Fuel tanks? What would be the most appropriate fuel tank? Or maybe we don't want to do a fuel tank right away. Maybe I want to... No, I don't have the big SAS doohickeys. Let's go with a nice big orange tank. Those are always good. This craft doesn't have a lot of mass. So I'm thinking I could probably get away with not too much. What's more efficient? The mainsail? ISP 310, and what else do we have in terms of engines? ISP 300, so this... Go away, jeez. This is actually more efficient in a vacuum. This is more efficient in the atmosphere. Actually, no, it isn't. That's interesting. So I should really be using the mainsails. I think it has less thrust, though. Max thrust 2000, max thrust 650. Yeah, okay. So these are more efficient, but they don't push as hard, which is fine. What else? Let's get some extra fuel on these. For some reason, I just like building stubby rockets. I realize that's not really the best. Maybe I don't want these, though. Damn it. Maybe I want these. Keep everything tight. I'll get some more fuel tanks on here. Okay. Now I'm going to onion stage these. Like so. And we'll put some structural support on those just in case. A little bit more. Good. So that'll be our not interplanetary, but we need something like this. Alright, this is my favorite little trick, is to use the cubic octagonal struts and turn them inwards so they fit like that. And we gotta make sure we put solar panels on this. I'm going to be using one of the probe cores that's in here. No, the root here should be the control from here. So that's going to be my control. I just need to make sure I have power. And we'll start with these. Actually, you know what? Maybe I want more than one. Put a bunch of those on there, and I'll stick some batteries on here too. We do have a lot of reaction wheels. Alright. Very good, very good. I don't know if that'll get to Duna or not, but we'll find out. Maybe I'll run another simulation. It's probably for the best. And we'll do one of these. And now I just need to get this bad boy into orbit. As high as you please. Fuel tanks. Fuel tank. Engine. Like so. Fins. Don't forget the fins. Always gotta do the fins. Always with the fins. There we go. Structural. I kind of want the spacing at this point. I want them up high. Let's put them up high. Fuel tanks. Okay, and engines. Like so, and we will onion stage these as well, but first some structure. Like so. That's really not optimal at all, is it? Here we go. That's straight? Nah, it's straight enough. Oh, damn it. There we go. Right, right. And then we're going to do some fuel management. There into there, and there into there. And then here into here. And finally here into here. Then we're going to do some launch clamps, because you always want to do launch clamps. Okay, everything's fairly low too, which is nice. Is this going to make it? I don't know. Let's add some more structure. Everything's nice and braced. Alright, we'll see what happens in the next episode, because I'm not going to deal with this. I'm going to fix the staging, and we'll leave it till next time, because I'm running out of time this morning. Thank you all for watching, and have a nice day.